Start. Okay, let's start. Again, please go to this website and then sign up. Use your own username and password. So click sign up. Yeah. Okay, sign up. Yes. Okay, you can sign up with Google. So maybe if you have a Gmail account, that gives like automatic option. Okay, great. Okay, create account. Okay, great. So now I'm going to, let's see. I'm going to let you click new project. And now please go to a discussion forum. Please do not close this window. Let's open new window so you can click. You can actually open new window so you can actually visit the learning management system because
I have it open somewhere. Let me see where I have it at.
Okay, that's great because I'm not going to let you do coding step by step or line by line. It's just too tedious. Yeah.
I have it logged in somewhere. 1 second.
Yeah.
There it is.
Okay, so now please go to your marketing research course. Okay, that's great. Okay, now please go to a discussion forum for week 5. Yeah, we have, okay, please, okay, now it's entry ticket in class exercise for discussion for week 5. Yes, please click the link. And now please go to a first discussion thread under this introduction. Okay. Okay, please move to the beginning of this.
The instructions.
Yeah, this syntax, the beginning, the first line. Okay, okay, I think it's very close. Okay, move slowly. Yes. Okay.
There it is.
Start from here. No. Here you see the dash line. So here you see the no. Go to the section under
How to create our markdown file.
Yes. Our markdown syntax. So copy everything from the beginning. It's a dashed line. It's a dash line. Include the dash. Okay. Yes, please. Yes. Okay. Now copy this whole chunk. Move to the end. Move your cursor to the end of your. Okay. Do not copy others' discussions.
Yeah.
Okay. So now this.
So to the dash lines
you
again.
Can copy the reference because it's already professional. If you can include the reference, it's always important to recognize other people's work. Yeah.
So to the end of the reference section.
The whole reference section. Okay, next line. Okay, good. Now make a copy. Now please go back to your RStudio Cloud platform. Okay, now it's the same. You see in file, go to file, and then go to new file, and then go to R Markdown. Okay, it's just a little bit slow, so but bear with me, it will work usually. So now click yes. Yes. Yeah, now click yes. It will take you probably, I think, 1 to 2 minutes to actually install all of these packages in this cloud environment. And so it's relatively slow, but I think in terms of let's say this the efficiency of this platform, I think it's worthwhile. So that being said, hopefully we will not receive any error this time because this platform is using the newest version of RStudio and R. So hopefully it will work. Again, I think learning how to deal with errors is most important thing. So again, here you name it promotion, Dodgers promotion, whichever name. So maybe make it simple. Let's do it. Yeah, Dodgers. Okay, that's great. That's good. Add your name, author. Add your name here.
Full name
Yeah.
or just the first name?
Yeah, it's up to you, markers, make it simple. So yeah, okay, now HTML, do not change anything. Okay, you can see you can also generate PDF document, can do Shiny apps, APIs, presentations. Let's only do the HTML web page. Click OK. Now you see here, it's already pasted here. I think you pasted here, right? You did it. So now I think now click save. Yes, there you should see that icon under under document name, which is untitled one. You see that square box, which is
Oh, yeah.
yeah, it's the same when you use the Word document. So save as same name, Dodgers. Yeah. Okay, save. Click save. Yes. Okay, now you already saved it. So now click to you see the next icon is ABC, and then you see icon close to that section is neat. So now you want to neat to HTML. Yes, click that one. Yes. Okay, perfect. Oh, you see. Now click to next. Okay, so for some reason, they always ask you to actually generate, our empty cars, HTML, let's say documents. But let's close because this is not, you did not paste it here. So let's repaste the syntax you just copy. So erase.
So where am I fixing it?
Yeah. So you erase all of the content on this page. I mean, yeah, because this is whatever original syntax which is being used for the, erase everything.
So I would just go
Yeah,
to.
I think now you are seeing some patterns. So now let's erase the content from line 8. Okay, let's do this. Line 8, from line 8. No, from line 8 to the end. From line 8.
8 down. Okay.
Yeah, yes. Keep the title because the title is correct. You already saved the title. Okay, perfect. Delete. Okay, perfect. Now
I need to paste.
Yeah, okay, yes, perfect. Now you see move to the beginning. Now move to the beginning. I think this now we have Ahmed, so maybe Ahmed, you can follow us right now. And I'm going to let you ask questions.
Yeah, sorry, Professor.
In a few minutes. Okay, that's fine. So Ahmed, please ask question in just a few minutes. So now I'm helping, let's say.
Okay. Okay.
So
I'll be back in just 1 second. Sorry.
Okay, you'll be back, right?
Yeah, I will be back.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, so I think let's see. Marcus.
Now I would go Nick, correct?
Now you see here, you can pretty much delete the trunk from line from line 8 to line 15 because you already have your title, right? You don't need this section again. But now you see this is like talking to your girlfriend. You want to make sure you understand whatever meaning you have for each sentence, right? You see how you communicate with the machine. Okay, so now click save again, save it again, save, yes. And then, they want you to do something, just do it in store. So yeah, there are no scams. They are never going to ask you for a credit card password. So, and so now I think hopefully it's ready. So neat. So click the icon neat to HTML. Yeah, click again. I know it's kind of slow, but if you already click, if you already did it, just wait. It will take like a few seconds. Okay, so let's see. So you see here line 32, because you never want to use my working directory, just remove line 32. Yes, remove line 32. I think everything should be all right. This is my original working directory. No, line 33, line 34, no, 34. Yeah, let's remove line 32 and line 34. Yes, please.
Okay.
Because that's my working directory. You are not doing everything, in cloud environment, so you don't need, my working directory. Once you remove these two lines, you see here, I just want to give you a short introduction. If you move to line 37, 38, I will show you why it works, why you are now, okay, so line 42, you see line 42, please move to line 42. Okay, so line 44, you see here, I would be appreciated if you could click the link. Click this link. Yes. Copy the link, HTTP address. Yeah. So I will show you why you are doing this way, why it's also, why it actually works. So paste it here. Yes, paste to a new browser and paste it here. Paste and go. Yes. So you see here, this is my GitHub website. I already created, a directory. I already posted data sets there. So that's why now you are running the analysis online in the cloud environment, and now you don't need to input the data. So now this is how it works. You should understand this. So, and then now go back to RStudio.cloud. Okay, now you already remove that line, so need to HTML again. So I'm sure now it should work. So how did it go?
So then that would be the Thursdays before class assignment, correct?
Yeah, you see, it's already published, right?
Yeah.
Just to confirm. Yeah, you see? Yeah. So now you just need to answer those questions. So let me tell you how to answer these questions. Yeah, so you see now this is wholly published. And so now go to the, RStudio again. Go to your website. So now you see, go to, the next section. I think it's a section after 46 or 47. And the next section, I think it's line, next one, please. Next one, please. Okay, next one. Okay, you see now question 1. I think here, under question 1, I'm asking you to put your answer here. So pretty much now you are not this is the best way for you to actually answer these questions. You see here, you put, let's put, one short sentence so you know that you will start answering this question yourself. Maybe, just put 1, 2, 3 there, and you see next time, or maybe after we finish the meeting, you can answer these questions here. So you see, imagine we have all of the questions here. So and then you can answer this question here, and then imagine in a few years, this is still your own portfolio, right? This is still the work you did in class, and you can keep this forever, right? And if you post your answers to a discussion forum after the end of semester, you do not have access to this anymore, right? What do you think?
Yeah. I mean,
okay,
yeah, you
so
wouldn't have access anymore.
Yeah, so add 1, 2, 3 here, and then click need to HTML, and then, I'm sure you are going to see that change immediately. Yeah. Okay, William, so I don't know where you are, but, for Yeah, now go to that section. I think it's the section under descriptive analysis. You see 1, 2, 3 here, right? So now it works, right? I help you solve the problem, right?
Yes, sir.
I think, again, so the best way for you to actually do something, you know, well, or let's say do something better is to let you teach someone else. So I'm going to let you teach, you know, William. So, you know, William will understand what's going on, okay? Do you think that will work?
We're going to find out.
So William, first you are going to log into this website, create a profile, which you named RStudio.cloud. And so now I'm going to let Marcus to teach you. So in the meantime, I want to let you know that, you know, I'm going to post this post this video post this video to YouTube so I could help my future students learn how, you know, RStudio cloud environment works. William, does that be okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine.
Okay, thank you so much. So now I'm going to ask Marcus to teach you. So Marcus, so please get started. Thank you so much.
So do you want me to stop sharing and have him do it on his screen, or do you want me to, because that's
I think, yeah, the best way is to let him, you know, do it on his screen. So maybe, you know, I think, yeah, William, please share your screen with us. So, you know, so Marcus could teach you step by step. Yeah.
I'm not able to share my screen at the moment. I was hoping to just follow along. I'm screen recording, so I could just do it on my own when I get to my computer.
Okay, that's fine. So if you cannot share the screen with us, you know, again, so I already recorded, you know, this YouTube video. So I will post this to hopefully my YouTube channel, let's say in probably 1 or 2 hours when it's available, because, you know, there could be like a time lag. Usually it's not more than 2 hours, hopefully. So that being said, I will post, you know, this video. We try to share with you as soon as possible.
Okay, that also works. Thank you.
Yeah, so as long as you have internet, you should, you know, get this work done in real time. But in the meantime, I want to share with you where you actually get a data set. And you know, finally, if you want to do it like using your own, you know, let's say working environment, let's say RStudio, desktop version of R. And so you can do it, yeah, you know, that, you know, so I think, you know, it's just an alternative solution, but basically now we are doing everything online using this cloud environment. So that being said, I already saved this data set in my working directory, which is github.com, utgmx, whichever. So you see here, now you are doing everything online. So using a cloud environment. So that's why, you know, you don't need to set up your working directory and then run the analysis. But I still recommend that you guys get familiar with those RStudio and also the desktop version, in case you want to do some, you know, of your own analysis in the future. But, you know, you can always do Google search, because whenever you have an error or whenever it gets stuck, you know, we have like a great community behind, you know, RStudio R. So they're always willing to help, you know, even statisticians or people who work in the, you know, industry, they come to this website to get some help. Before you guys go, I want to show you some, you know, just a last information I would like to share with you is actually, let's say, yeah, jobs. Yeah, some jobs you can do if you have, let's say, a strong data science background. If you want to do data science or analytics, I mean, data science is usually for, you know, people who have different backgrounds in statistics and also business analytics. But, you know, there's also a growing area, the analytics, you know, analytics area in the industry. So you see here, data science job in Facebook. So pretty much you see here, all of these jobs require R, SQL, Hadoop, as in some certain level programming skills. So that being said, this could be like some of the best jobs in the world. And so basically, you know, you get very well paid, you know, salary, and you get to socialize with different people from different backgrounds. Okay, so
Professor,
I think
you
that's,
mind
yes. Yeah, William.
real quick, talking about the data science and machine learning, because I'm a programmer already. I'm a computer science minor. I had a few questions in regarding to RStudio, and what you just showed me. Is it all you need is an RStudio background, or like maybe a project or two in RStudio, and you can get a data science position?
No, it's impossible. So, so to be honest, you have to take, let's say, quite a few data science courses. So that being said, hopefully my course will help you get started, and you have to take a few courses from Coursera, Udemy, as in, let's say, Data Camp, because data science is really not about doing basic programming. It's really about doing programming and also knowing how to interpret the results and knowing how to actually understand business questions or business problems. So that being said, you see here, you can check either one of these job posts, and then you understand let's say your experience actually matters. So that being said, maybe you get started this year, and then they require like a 6 years experience with quantitative analysis. So you count from year 1 to build the experience. You have to do this continuously for 6 years, nonstop. So that being said, if you are in year 1, they recognize, okay, so you are just at the beginning level. So you have to take more courses, either from online or Google or Coursera, Udemy. So I think many of these websites offer free courses, or let's say affordable courses at $49 per certificate. And then, I took a John Hopkins, let's say data science specialization certificate. It took me like nearly 3 years, because I stopped for a while sometimes, and then I need to work, and then teach, do research. And then I pick up again, and then I finish those 10 courses in 3 years. And then that course is still well recognized in the industry. And if you take those 10 courses, I think you will have good understanding of data science. But still, statistics could be just a little bit different, right? Those, if you want to know how to prove equation, statistic equation, that's even more complex. But if you just know some basic data science skills, hope you can find like a entry-level position, a small company. So then you are, but again, so here some positions will require PhD in quantitative science or quantitative discipline like econ, stats, or mathematics. But do not get intimidated. Again, I saw people who have no college degree or no college degree actually found good jobs in Google. And so the only thing they're good at doing is programming. So if you learn any programming skills like Python, JavaScript, R, if you know any tool of this, you don't need a college degree in order to find a job in Silicon Valley, to be honest. Yeah.
Hello?
Okay.
Yeah, hopefully I answer a question again. So I think Ahmed is also here. So Ahmed, I think again, long story short. So I'm going to post this YouTube video. I'll share with you guys this video in probably around 1 hour, so you guys can watch this video. So you will be running the analysis in the cloud environment, and so you can still try to figure out your working environment, because sometimes it can be a little bit tricky if you use a different computer, different computer system. Again, let me briefly show you how. So basically, you try to let's say run the analysis using the data I already uploaded to my GitHub website. So you see, this is my GitHub website, and the dogersdata.csv. So you see, it's already updated here, uploaded here. And so when you run the analysis, you don't need to, let's say, import the data set to your own working environment. So this data set is from the cloud environment. So that being said, again, so if you really want to learn how to import a data set, I recommend you still watch the YouTube videos I upload to the last week. But for this week, you see dataset is already here. So you don't need to import the dataset. So just run, the syntax I posted to the, to a discussion forum you see here. Yeah, entry ticket and in-class exercise. I already share with Marcus how it works. And if you watch that video, I guarantee, you will actually generate result, in around, 20 minutes. Yeah.
So for the video that's posted, the YouTube video that you're stating, it's under the modules.
Yeah, I think again, I just share with let's say here Marcus how it works. Yeah, so Marcus already learned it. So maybe if you have your laptop, I think I can actually maybe ask Marcus to see if he could teach you, for 5 to 10 minutes, because again, so I always recognize, for programming, the best way for you to understand how it works is to teach others. So you learn it, you teach others, and it's a relearning process. So maybe Ahmed, so if you have a computer with you, I'm going to Marcus could teach you, and then you can share your screen with him, and then you will learn it in probably a few minutes. What do you think? Do you have a computer with you?
Is Marcus here?
Yeah, your computer. Do you have your computer with you?
No, I don't have my computer with me right now.
Okay, if you don't have a computer with you, so I think, I'm going to upload this video. I'm going to upload the video. I mean, the video about, the talk with Marcus, actually show him how to do it. And he will, after you watch the video, I'm sure it will work. You will learn how to do it in a few minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, doing it on the cloud too makes it a lot easier because you don't run into anything as far as like downloading issues, because that was a big problem with me. And it runs a little bit easier, I think, and a little bit smoother.
Hey Marcus, do you do your like discussions and the analysis and all that? Do you do it on a Mac or is it like a desktop?
I do it on a regular Microsoft PC, HP, but since I did it on the cloud, it ran perfectly fine. And I was having a lot of issues with download even on a Windows computer.
So like would it be cool if I emailed you, like, if we can set up a time to like help me out, like, because I don't understand like any of this, to be honest.
Yeah.
Okay, so your email is the one that I'll just use the email that he emailed us with the like the Outlook.
Yeah. That'll be my school one, so yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, okay, so I will post the video and you guys watch the video, and also when you email Marcus, you can also probably copy email to me, and in case I could actually respond to that email in my spare time. So I think hopefully you guys, have fun. And I'm going to post as soon as I can, so you will have the link to the video very soon. Okay, yeah. Okay, I'm going to stop the meeting. In the meantime, if you have any question, let me know. Otherwise, you should receive the link to the video probably in less than 1 hour. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Ahmed. Thank you, Marcus.
Thank you very much, Professor. I really appreciate you taking this extra step.
Have a great weekend. Yeah.
Thank you, Professor.
Bye. Have a great weekend.
All right, you too.